If you're experiencing login issues on Linode, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity, as passwords are case sensitive. Step 2. Reset your password. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use src to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes browser cache can cause login problems. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again to see if the issue persists. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with the login process. Temporarily disable any extensions you have installed and attempt to log in again. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Linode support for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue and they can help you troubleshoot further. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login issues on Linode. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from the support team.